We are pleased to show you the 2025 Transit 250. The Transit 250 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacities. It is comfortable and easy to drive. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, stability control, tire pressure monitor, tires front all season, tires rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes, steel wheels, traction control, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Come take a test drive today.